Here on the Railroad Riches Sheriff, we're putting $40 in, a minimum bet, which is 75 cents. Let's try to double up our money. Here on the Railroad Riches Sheriff, we've got $40 in, minimum bet, which is 75 cents. Let's do this. So we need 6 coins, and we need 3 bonus symbols. Come on. Oh, do it. Oh, we needed one more. Rip off. Come on, big monies. Ooh. We need 3 bonus symbols. Nice little $1.15 line hit. $0.65 line hit. Oh no, not these guys. Oh, nothing. We want the bonus. We want the bonus symbols thrown down, not the guys. Oh, not these guys again. Unless you're giving me the bonus symbol, I don't want you. Okay, we got 420. At least that's some ammo. We want the bonus symbol thrown down, though. That lady trying to pet the dog. She's trying to pet the police dog. Oh, nice line hit. 420, we got some ammo. Oh, whoa. Oh, what did we get? Oh, yeah. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Big money. Dollars. Nothing. Yikes. Wow. Wow. Not the greatest bonus I've ever had.
Better than nothing.
$4.20. Yeah, well, at least we got 1 bonus, so that's good. We'll keep it rolling. Oh, line hit. $1.80 line hit. Almost back to our $40 threshold.
Try some of the 2 cent.
Do it.
Okay.
Oh. Do it. Boom. Okay, we'll do a few 2 cent, $1.50 bets. $1.30 line hit. Nothing. $3.40. Oh, we need 6. $0.70. 3 more. I think it likes the 1 cent minimum bet. $1.95 line hit. Come on, let's get another bonus. Ooh, 6 coins, come on. Oh, 2 bonus symbols. We need 3. Oh no, not the guys again. $3.85. Unless you have the bonus symbol. We don't want you. $1.65. 3 more. Do it. Oh. Nothing. Nothing. Ooh, the bonus symbol blocked the line hit. Come on, baby. Bonus symbol. Bonus me. 3 bonus symbols, not 1. Oh, there we go. Line hit. $2.55. We're halfway through our $40. Let's keep it rolling. Oh, that blocked it. That would have been nice. Oh, no.
Would it be so bad if it gave something good?
I know, but they never do. It's never been good when they come down. Oh, there we go. 6:15. Back to our halfway threshold. Blocked by the bonus symbol. Come on, give us that coin bonus. $2.55. Oh no! You again. 35 cents. They're the worst. Why can't they throw the coins down? Come on, coins. $1.30. Come on, baby. Just one of the coin bonuses. Do it, please. Oh, I thought we had it. It wants to. Ooh. Ooh, come on. 30 cents. Oh, that one was a delayed reaction. Well, that should be a line hit. $1.05. Come on, bonus me. Ooh, too bad there wasn't one in the first line. Off we go. Come on. 3 more. Ooh, you know you want to. Surprised we haven't gotten any coin bonuses. We don't have too much ammo left. Only a couple spins left. Yikes. All right, 2 spins left. Last spin. We couldn't do it. There's $40 gone on the Railroad Riches. We did get 2 bonuses, even though we didn't win that much, but that was a fun game. Let me know your thoughts on this game. Comment down below if you like it, if you don't like it. Make sure you like this video, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.